Hi, this is Tess with ROE Dental Lab. We're a full-service national dental lab, and we're digital, so you don't have to be. Today, we're going to be talking about different practice styles and how digital dentures can benefit your practice no matter what kind of technology you may or may not have. Let's talk about one of the first kind of practice styles being an analog practice, where we're taking conventional alginate or PVS impressions for our digital dentures. That's fantastic, and the great news for you is you don't have to change a thing. We can still accept these kind of records for our digital denture cases and still get you those same 2-visit appointments to get to a final denture. The second practice style being you have an IOS or a CT, and you'd like to take scans for your digital dentures, whether that means scanning edentulous, scanning a dentate arch, or taking scans to duplicate a denture. We can accept any of those three for different types of digital denture fabrication methods depending on what you're looking for. And the third practice style being you have a 3D printer in office and you would like someone to just do your digital denture design for you. That's fantastic. Go ahead and take your records and submit those to ROE. We can complete a digital denture design and send that back to your team to then fabricate in your office for an even faster turnaround. So no matter if you're analog, digital, or on the highest end of the spectrum with your own 3D printer, we can benefit your practice with our digital denture offerings here at ROE. If you have more questions, feel free to call in the lab directly regarding how we can get a case started for you, or if you'd like to learn a little bit more before starting a case, feel free to download our free Digital Denture eBook on our website now. Please check out our social media pages for the latest and greatest workflows and technology, and thank you so much for tuning in. We look forward to our first case with you.